Welcome to your guided visualization journey. Here at Case Calm Kit, we are dedicated to helping you find moments of peace and clarity in your busy life. Today, we are focusing on a powerful tool known as guided visualization, a practice that uses your imagination to evoke calming images and scenarios, guiding your mind to a place of peace and relaxation. Guided visualization is not just about mental imagery. It's a full sensory experience that can transport you away from the stresses of daily life, helping to reduce anxiety and promote a profound sense of present moment awareness. By visualizing tranquil scenes and engaging all your senses, you can influence your emotional and physiological states, bringing about real changes in stress levels and mindfulness. Today's session is designed to help you release the tensions you've been carrying and enhance your ability to stay mindful and present. As we embark on this journey, I invite you to set an intention for this practice. Let it be to fully engage with each moment, to breathe deeply and freely, and to open your mind to the tranquility that awaits. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position in a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Allow yourself this time to unwind, to be here fully, present and focused. Whether you are seeking a brief escape or deep relaxation, allow this visualization to guide you towards inner peace and mental clarity. As we prepare to enter into our guided visualization, it's important to create an environment that supports relaxation and focus. Let's take a few moments to get ready. First, find a comfortable position where you can remain alert yet relaxed. You may choose to sit in a supportive chair, lie down on a soft mat, or even recline in a place where you feel secure and at ease. The key is to ensure your comfort, as this will help you stay focused throughout our journey without distraction from physical strain. Once you are comfortably seated or lying down, gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling the air fill your lungs completely. Hold it there for a moment, then exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension you might be holding. Do this a few more times, each breath helping you sink deeper into relaxation. As you breathe, let go of the external noises and distractions. If thoughts about your day or tasks come to mind, acknowledge them and then imagine them floating away on a cloud. This practice is your time, a sacred space for you to unwind and reconnect with your inner self. Now that you are relaxed and your environment is prepared, you are ready to embark on your guided visualization journey. Let's begin. Now that we are settled and comfortable, let's deepen our relaxation. I will guide you to relax each part of your body. As we go through this process, imagine each breath you take is filled with calm, washing over you like a gentle wave, soothing and soft. Focus on your feet. Feel any tension in your toes slowly melt away with each breath. Now, let this feeling move up to your ankles, then your calves. With each breath, release the day's burdens. Let go of the stored fatigue and allow relaxation to rise, like warmth spreading through you. Allow this peaceful sensation to continue rising to your knees and then to your thighs. Feel the muscles there relax and soften. Allow your legs to feel completely at ease, fully supported by the ground beneath you. Bring your attention to your lower back and abdomen. Breathe in deeply, and as you exhale, feel your back sinking into greater relaxation. releasing any tension held in these muscles. Let your stomach be soft and your breathing be easy. Move your focus to your chest and shoulders. Take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, let any tension you are carrying in your shoulders drop away. Feel the weight of the world lift off you with each exhale. Let your arms, all the way down to your hands and fingertips, release and relax. Finally, relax your neck, your jaw, your face, and your forehead. Soften each feature with a calm breath. Imagine any remaining stress fading away from your forehead. Smoothen out any lines of worry or concentration. You are now completely relaxed, enveloped in tranquility. Your body is at ease, your mind is calm, and you are ready to embark on a beautiful journey within your imagination. Imagine yourself standing on a peaceful beach at dawn. The sky is painted in soft hues of pink and orange, and the air is cool and fresh. Feel the soft sand beneath your feet. It's fine and smooth, comforting to the touch. Listen to the soothing rhythm of the ocean waves. Each wave whispers to the shore in a steady, calming pattern. The sound fills your ears with a natural melody that resonates deep within you, relaxing every nerve. Breathe in deeply and smell the salty air mixed with a hint of seaweed. The scent is refreshing and invigorating, clearing your mind of any lingering concerns. Let the ocean's vastness remind you of the endless possibilities before you. As you walk along the shorelines, feel a gentle breeze brushing against your skin. The cool air contrasts warmly with the rising sun's heat, creating a perfect balance. Notice the lightness in your heart and the freedom in your steps as you walk freely along this serene beach. Up ahead, you see a comfortable lounge chair under a solitary palm tree. It's the perfect spot to sit down and watch the sunrise. As you settle into the chair, feel the softness of the ocean. It supports you perfectly, allowing your body to relax even more deeply as you gaze out over the shimmering water. Let yourself enjoy this moment of peace. With every breath, you feel more connected to the natural beauty around you. This beach is your personal heaven, a place where you can come to rejuvenate your spirit whenever you need a respite from the world. As you sit here, allow the beauty of the sunrise to fill you with hope and renewal. Every ray of light brings energy and positivity, charging you with an invigorating sense of well-being that you can carry with you throughout your day. As you relax on this serene beach, let's deepen your connection to this place. Look around you and notice the intricate details. The way the morning light catches on each wave, the dance of shadows beneath the palm leaves, and the unique shapes of shells scattered along the shoreline. Each detail is a brushstroke in this tranquil scene crafted just for you. Imagine picking up a shell from the sand. Feel its weight in your hand, the smoothness of its surface, and the coolness against your skin. This shell is a symbol of your ability to shape your reality, to pick up and cherish the moments and goals that matters most to you. Think now about what you wish to release or manifest in your life. Perhaps you want to let go of stress, to feel lighter and more free. Or maybe you have goals that you are ready to pursue with renewed energy and clarity. Hold these thoughts as you gaze at the horizon where the sea meets the sky. a line that represents the boundary between what is and what can be. Allow the expansive nature of the ocean to inspire you to expand your own limits. With each wave that rolls in, imagine it bringing strength and positivity towards you. With each wave that recedes, picture it taking away stress and doubt, leaving you calm and assured. Sit with this imagery a little longer. Observe the peaceful energy of this place. Allow it to permeate every part of your being, solidifying your intentions and empowering you to carry this tranquility and strength back into your everyday life. You are now deeply connected to this place of peace and power. Whenever you need to reconnect with these feelings, know that this beach is here for you, waiting in your mind's eye, ready to welcome you back to its calming embrace. Now, as our journey on this beautiful beach comes to a close, it's time to gently return to the present moment. But as we leave, remember that the peace and clarity you experienced here are always within your reach. Take a few more deep, calming breaths. With each inhale, gather the strength and serenity you've found here today. With each exhale, begin to bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Start to notice the surface beneath you, whether it is the chair you are sitting in or the floor beneath your feet. Feel the texture and the temperature, grounding yourself in the here and now. As you open your eyes, carry the tranquility of the beach with you. Let the calmness infuse your day with grace and positivity. Remember the feelings of release and the vision of your goals like the horizon, vast and infinite. Take a moment to reflect on what you've learned about yourself during this visualization. Whether it's a newfound calmness, a resolution to let go of stress, or inspiration to pursue your dreams, let these insights guide you in your daily life. You are now back, refreshed and renewed, ready to continue your day with a peaceful mind and an energized spirit. Thank you for joining me in today's guided visualizations journey. We've explored a serene beach, used our senses to deepen the experience, and brought back feelings of calm and clarity into our presence. This practice is a powerful tool to help manage stress, enhance emotional and cognitive health, and maintain a connection to inner peace. Remember, the benefits of guided visualization grow stronger with regular practice. I encourage you to incorporate this practice into your daily routine for at least 21 days. By doing so, you allow your mind and body to fully absorb and integrate these benefits, leading to more sustained changes in your stress levels and overall well-being. Make this journey a part of your everyday life and watch as it transforms your outlook, your emotions, and your overall health. Let each session be a step towards a more mindful and vibrant you. Now, I would love to hear from you. How did you feel during and after the visualization? Did you discover anything new about yourself? Please share your experiences in the comments below. Your insights not only inspire us, but also help others in our community feel connected and supported. If you found today's session helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends or family who might also benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to Case Calm Kit for more guided visualizations and other content designed to enrich your life. Thank you once again for taking this time for yourself. Remember, each moment of mindfulness adds to a lifetime of tranquility and awareness. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and keep sharing your journey. Until next time, stay calm, stay inspired, and continue to nurture the peace within. Much love.